fighting traction issues with the shop car, and I think I finally got it figured out. I started messing with the sorry, I'm sliding up under the car. Started messing with all the suspension, looking over everything. I'll get back under there in a second, and well, I'll just show you. So here's the rear bushing right here. Hold up, put some light on it. You can see, looks good. A little filthy around here, but no big deal. Everything's tight. There's not much play in anything. I mean, that's a little bit. I guess in a 1,000+ torque car that can be of issue. But the main issue would come up here, and yeah, that's no good. That bolt's tight too, so definitely shouldn't be able to move it back and forth that way. If I push on it, you can see it going forward and back. And that's just my little arm. So with this thing torquing over, I mean, this rear end is doing all kinds of crazy stuff, and that obviously does not help traction. So need to get these bushings taken care of and then get back to testing. Here's the other, here's the other control arm. Before and after movement. You can see it. Plus I'm shaking the camera, but you can still see it. And then also junk. Ended up going with UPR heavy duty lower control arms with the aluminum bushings and hem joints. Got them measured out, installed. Just gotta move this brake line, or yeah, the e-brake line. And now it is time to go test.